Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Vidya Sharma, and in today's lecture, we will be studying about watershed management. Every body of water, whether it is river, lakes, ponds, streams, estuaries, they have a watershed. The watershed is an area of the land that drains or sheds water into a specific receiving water body. For example, like lake or a river. As the rainwater or the melted ice runs downhill in the watershed, it usually collects and transports many different kind of sediments and other material which gradually deposits them into the receiving body. So this is known as the watershed. It is an area that drains or shed waters basically. When we talk about the management of these watershed, we means that it is basically watershed management is a term which is used to describe the process of implementing land use practices and water management practices in order to protect and improve the quality of the water and other natural resources within a watershed by managing the use of those land and water resources in a comprehensive manner. So, for a watershed management, a lot of planning needs to be done. So, this includes a process that results in a basically a plan how to do the project and how to improve the water quality and the other natural resources in a watershed. So, basically, it is a comprehensive planning process that involves all the municipalities which are located nearby to that watershed, which is must for the watershed management. So this is how a typical watershed looks like how the rain fall and the water is collected from many different sources like its tributaries, streams, forests, farmlands, and finally it leads into the good quality of groundwater. So this is how a watershed is being made. There are certain objectives of the watershed management. For example, it controls pollution, it minimizes overexploitation of the natural resources. It also helps to conserve the water, store water, to control flood, to avoid and limit sedimentation, wildlife preservation, erosion, soil erosion, and also recharging of groundwater to provide the regular supply of water. So these are the different objectives of the watershed management. Now coming to the different components of the watershed management programs lies soil and water conservation, tree plantation, agronomical practices, livestock management, renewable energy, and institutional development. So this is how a watershed looks like. So this is an animation of the watershed. Now we have different type of watersheds named as macro watershed, which is more than 50,000 hectares, sub watershed, which lies between 10,000 to 50,000 hectares, milli watershed lies between 1,000 to 10,000 hectares, micro watershed, which lies between 100 to 1,000 hectares. So the sizes are varying. Mini watershed, which lies between 1 to 100 hectares. So different type of activities are involved in doing the watershed management. Watershed management has got its significance and it is very important. It controls pollution. It helps to control the water resources. It identifies and regulates ecologically hazardous activities. Then watershed management identifies activities which needs to be properly addressed. It enhances partnership among the different stakeholders, and it is also an efficient way to prioritize the implementation of the watershed management plans. It controls pollution. Basic the function is to control the pollution. Now, Integrated Watershed Developmental Program IWMP is basically the Department of Land Resources Ministry of Rural Development is implementing the Integrated Watershed Development Program from 2009-10. So it envisages restoring the ecological balance by harnessing, conserving, and developing degrading natural resources like soil and water through watershed management initiatives. The program is implemented to all the states of the country. The outcome of this program is to prevent the soil runoff, regeneration of the natural vegetation, rainwater harvesting, and recharging of the groundwater level. So another initiatives taken under this developmental program are Haryali activity, Niru Miru, water and you in Andhra Pradesh. Then in Tamil Nadu, water harvesting in the houses is now made compulsory. So by doing all these activities, we can have a good watershed management. What are the issues which are faced while implementing the watershed management programs? That is, project related issues, lack of support from legislations, weak institutional base, programs which are non inclusive of the reserved forest lands. So, these are the few issues which are faced while performing the watershed management. So, local partnership is very important. That is the role of residents, landowners, watershed association and civic group, agricultural users, developers, even teachers and recreational users. So these all, if we come together, then a watershed management program can be of great success. So this was all about the topic watershed. Thank you.